In order to edit your meeting recordings so that the attendees are not visible in Premiere Pro 2020, we need to start with the correct timeline settings. We can do that by right-clicking on the meeting video file and selecting New Sequence from Clip. Navigate to the Effects Editing workspace. If the Effect Controls panel is not visible, go to Window and select Effect Controls. Select the clip in the timeline and move the sequence marker so that the meeting content is visible. Increase the scale number until the width of the footage fills the screen. You can do this by clicking in the box and typing in another number. Now we need to change the second figure next to position. We can click in the field and type in a new figure. However, another easier way around would be to click on the number and immediately move the mouse up or down to move the image around the screen. Center the image as desired. You can copy and paste the effect settings by right-clicking on Motion in the Effect Controls panel and selecting Copy. You can then click on a new clip and paste in the settings. There is another way to do this. We can use a crop effect in the Effects palette. Click in the search bar and select Crop. Drag and drop this onto the clip in the sequence. Now in Effect Controls, we can adjust the bottom crop option in order to delete sections you would like to.